Alright, I'm going to start on the roof, see what's involved with raising this roof. It should be tons of fun. Alright. One good thing about working up here is you can work in a t-shirt. It's warm. Maybe that's just today, but I think all the time it's going to be warm up here. Okay, let's see if I can raise this front up by itself. How much trouble is that going to be? Every now and then you come to a screw that's got the head rusted off enough that you can't unscrew it. So what you gotta do is cut a slot into it. Where is this thing? Cut a slot into it with this beauty. You son of a gun. And another screw that came out the hard way, along with a dozen others. This is the last screw on the roof. Still got this side. It's hot up here. Yeah. Okay, started lifting it up about a foot. Let's go see if we're ripping anything out. Some wires, I think. Okay, I'm up against the stop. That cable right there stops the lift from going up any higher, which is good. I only got 2 more inches on this side. I don't know about the other side. The thing I thought was a tape ain't tape. Wiring is not wiring. I don't know what the hell it was. Here's the wiring. It covers the wires. Here's the problem with this. This looks like it's 8 foot this way, huh? How wide is it? I gotta get some light up here and fix that corner. Okay, here I am on top. The roof is up as high as I can get it. I don't know what the hell this is about, but they cut pretty deep channels in the roof. No wonder it breaks and rots. This looks like cardboard. Alright, I guess that's what they did. This looks like a seam right here going all the way down. I don't know if you got a tape measure and see what that is. Look at this mess. Not sure what these wires are for. These go up to the front marker lights. And we gotta get this off too. Staples. Okay, cleanup time. Most of it's already out of the truck. Well, let's go out and look. Sweeping the floor now. And here's what we got. All the wood is off. I gotta vacuum this. Move these wires. measure things up. Okay, a little bit of an update. Been struggling for the last few days. Roof is off. The bad plywood is off. Foam board insulation is off. The whole entire roof. This had to be cut back. I think it's where it needs to go now. I still got to finish that. And of course there's complications also with this. Look at that. It's over an inch. This piece I had to make from whatever I salvaged off of the front here. I gotta tack this down. Cut that down. Taking way long. I used the jack and a 2x4 to blow these back up. Try to get some water to run off. But some of these I can't take a chance on bending. Have to see how they turn out. Okay. Let's go look at it from the outside. Okay. This is staying in. All the roof stuff is off. These wires are in my way. So I'm going to try to get them out of my way. I think I can put them inside of this tube. All the way, front to rear. This pair is for the rear clearance ID. The other pair going up that way is for the front clearance ID. And these are for the inside seats. Oh, let's see if I can get them inside. Okay, we're outside. Let's get this done quickly. Nice and fresh and cool. 47 at the moment. Okay, done, finally. Lots of trouble. Some places look pretty crappy but clean. Everything's been done. So the adhesive should stick to it. I gotta clean it again. There's freaking dirt everywhere. Everywhere, I say. Everywhere. Okay, halfway done. Well, maybe a little bit more. From here to the front is 9 feet. From here to the back is 8 feet. So that means I have 2 more sheets to put in this way. And the roof wood part is done. I think we got a trespasser in here. We do. Number 3. Okay, the wood part of it's done. The openings are all cut except for the refrigerator, which I can't get to. That could be a problem. I'll have to rough it. Right now, I guess, come to think of it. And this all back is done. As far as wood going down, I guess I gotta deal with that. Okay, all the foam is in. All the foam insulation. Except for that strip up there. Right there, all the way across. I gotta put the roof down first, and then I can squeeze the foam in there. Other than that, though, everything is in. Okay, put the window back in. And this one this morning, all I'm doing now is trimming off the pewter tape. See if I can do this with one hand. I just use a putty knife, go along the edge. Comes out real nice. Okay. Okay, we're in. Okay, the roof is back, laid down, lined up, kept in line with screws every now and then. This half is glued, and the front is screwed across. I gotta cut this off. I hope that don't go too difficultly. I'm beat. Gotta go home. Okay, the front third is glued down. This part is up in the air, so I can clean the deck. Hang on a moment. This is raised up about 1.5 feet. Clean this off, apply adhesive. Let it down and hope for the best. Working alone makes it a challenge. Okay, I just got done cleaning the underside of this lip all the way across. See all that dirt? I had to crawl up here, turn around, lay on my back to do it. Oh, it worked out pretty decently. Taking my shirt off while I was up here laying down on the hard side. But I think I'm ready for glue down. We shall see. Okay, it's down. Weights on it to help hold it down. Nothing I can do now till tomorrow as far as the roof. Maybe I better take a look at that over there. I don't think I have any adhesive there. Okay, that's it. Okay, continuing putting this edging molding stuff back up. Do this other side today. Well, I'll do a lot of it today, but this one next. I got this left. Ooh, nice and warm. I've been keeping it in the oil burner room. Wonder how warm that is. 77. I got this piece left, and I got 2 more rolls of 30 foot each, and I think I need 55. So, let's get going this fine day. Can't go do nothing else. Stay in my nice, cool garage and have at it. Okay, that section is coated with about 1 inch to spare. 2 more rolls and then what? Damn. Okay, yesterday I put down this stuff. Should leave it alone for another day. By the way, that Job yesterday took up the entire can. Not even a tablespoon left. Gee, wowzers. Works good on the roof of the garage. Better work on that, huh? That's what it is. Pretty cool stuff. But I do have another one. Just in case. Okay, this white stuff is Repair Hero. Did that 2 days ago. Some of it's still soft, but that's too bad. I gotta cover this. So I'm using this Flex Seal. And I'm about 2/3 done. And I think I got enough left. I'll try to show you how I'm doing it. I sort of like pour it out into a spot, spread it around with that squeegee, smooth it with that brush. Oops. Spread it out with that squeegee thing, and then smooth it a little with this brush, which is going to be junk when I'm done, which doesn't matter. Cost a whopping $2, I think. Good old Lowe's. Okay, pretty well done with it. The longer I leave it set, the better this surface gets. It was a little sort of like sticky. It was dry and cured, but like you wouldn't be able to slide on it. All I gotta do is put that cap on there, and this is done. And as far as the edges, I just coated it with this stuff, Flex Seal. Should work. We'll keep a tab on it, or an eye. All right. And once again, I used up every. Oh, sorry, I'll get over here. Every bit of it, I used up every bit of it. There's not even a teaspoon left in there.